Remember this construction site? Well, I can finally show you the progress. Come on in. Let's start in our bar area. Fully cladded in Infinity Surfaces Calacatta Hermitage. Now onto the soul of the home, my open plan kitchen. Doesn't the Infinity Calacatta Magnifico make your heart sing? It's a feast for the eyes. Oh, better make Neil a quick cuppa. My top interior design tip? You can never have enough gallery walls. Take a look at this vanity, also in Calacatta Hermitage Infinity. Quick touch-up before heading out. Everyone loves a before and after shot, right? Let's give this a go. Ta-da! This is the concrete grey colour by Infinity. Just heavenly. One last look at our jaw-dropping Calacatta Magnifico Island. Hope you enjoyed the tour, guys, and please let me know which is your favourite area of our home. Ciao for now.